Namaskar. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for the Febina Group of India to get us such a great opportunity to be part of this cooking contest. So let me brief introduction of myself. Myself is Chef Losel. I'm an executive sous chef of the Eros Hotel, Nehru Place. So what I'm going to show you today, it's a very simple and basic thing. Meso mustard chicken dumpling, which goes with the sweet chili sauce. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. Okay, I have a minced chicken here and some refined flour and corn flour and some garnish with the bell pepper shredded one and the miso paste, and I'm using some cherry tomato and chopped bell pepper and salt for the seasoning and broth powder and some sugar, right? And also I have some very fine shredded potato, right? And some mayonnaise there and the spinach, shredded spinach. All right, so let's start with the mixing one. Okay, let's put the minced chicken and we'll add that chopped bell pepper, green, red, yellow, and we'll add some miso paste, okay, and I'll add some seasoning, the aromatic powder, vegetable broth powder, and some salt, and I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we'll add some cornstarch so that it bind well. Okay, 2 spoons of corn flour and 1 spoon of refined flour, and then okay, now we'll mix it properly. Okay, like this. If you think that if it's little bit if you feel that mixture is a little wet, then you can add some more of flour. Basically the flour I'm using is for the binding agent. So potato starch and the corn starch, you can use the potato starch or corn starch, that's an optional. So I think I need to add some more of potato starch, right? So we have to mix like this. Okay, all right, okay, and then keep it for at least for half an hour, so the marination. All right, okay, now we have already mixed properly. So what now we'll do, we'll make a dumpling, we'll make a ball, right? So that for making the dumpling, you have to wet your hand with it by taking a little bit of water. Okay, just apply water on both the hand and take a dumpling. Okay, just make it a ball like this, or you can press, all right, like this. You can make a round like this. Okay, this. Okay, and we have to take one plate, so just brush the oil on the base of the plate so that it won't get stick. Right, so I'll apply some oil. All right, so that I'll keep here the dumpling. Okay, again I'll just make my hand a little wet. We'll repeat the same process. Okay, like this. Just press it a little bit. You can see the round like this. Okay, I'll keep it here. We'll do the same. We'll make a 6 dumpling. Okay, now you have to repeat the same process like this. Make it a round. All right, and this is the last one. just move that. This is it now. Okay, the dumpling is ready. Okay, the next what we'll do, we'll just poach in water. All right. Now you can see that the chicken dumpling is ready now. You can see that it's a perfect round in shape. You have to make it like this. So then next what we are going to do is, like, we just blanch it, right? Just poach it, but in slow, and I'll just slow the flame. Poach in the water for at least 5 minutes, right? Okay. Just put it in one by one. Okay, to make sure that it will get stick on the base, right? Let it be in a slow flame for at least 15 minutes. I'll just keep it in a slow flame, alright? And okay, the next, you can see here this shredded fine spinach. So I'm going to fry it make it crispy fry. So let's make sure that the oil should be very hot. All right. So we just put. Oil should be a proper hot. Okay, now it's almost done now. I'll just take out, strain the oil properly, and then transfer it out. Okay, then I have a fine shredded potato. So we'll fry the shredded potato. The oil should be hot, but you should be very careful while just frying the potato. So it comes color very fast. See, it's very fast. It's almost done now. You can see. Okay, this is done. So let's go here. But you have to be very careful while frying the potato. Now we have already fried the spinach and the potato. Okay, so now what we'll do is, like, we have to take out the poached chicken dumpling. So you can see it here. It's very well cooked and it looks, very good. You can see here. See, it's good, very good. So I'll just transfer into a plate. All right, I'll just place over here. So now what we'll do a plating. Okay, this is it. So you can see this chicken. Okay. So now the chicken is cooked and both the spinach and the potato are the fry. And now what I'll do the next is I'll just dip chicken dumpling in mayonnaise, and I'll coat it with the spinach and potato. Okay, let's start. Okay. Take the chicken dumpling, just dip in the mayonnaise, and we'll just what I'll do, I'll just coat with the spinach. We'll just put this crispy spinach. Okay, and we'll do the same. It's coated with the mayonnaise, and I'll just put some spinach, crispy spinach. You can see we just coat it properly. Okay, this is the second one. see, but I'll just dip it and then coat it with this. It's done now. So now we'll just do the potato. Just I'll coat it with the potato. The same. Dip with the mayonnaise. All right, and then just coat with the crispy potato. You can make sure it should be coated well. Alright, you can press it like this. This is done. Alright. Okay, we'll do the same. I'll just coat it with the mayonnaise. Dip in the mayonnaise and just coat it with the potato. This is just we'll just put it with the potato. It's done. Same. And we just put some potato. This crispy potato on top. And you can see it's well coated. This is done now. So now what we'll do the last plating one. Here I'll show you the very simple method of making a garnish by using a pillar, and you can use a vegetable like zucchini and beetroot. Right? So it's very simple. Let me show you. Okay, just peel the zucchini like this. Okay, you can use like this. Like a noodle. Okay, this is for then I'll show you with the yellow one. I'm not going to use the screen one, so this part, this will help me to make a garnish. This okay, one more, the last one, this, and then the beetroot. As I told you, it's very simple. Now you have to roll it like this, and this is very simple. Just roll it. We'll do the same here. Okay. I'll take the green one. Even looks better with the side of the green, and move with the white. And this is also the eatable one. So whenever you make a garnish, or it has to be edible. Alright. So I'll make it two to garnish. And with the beetroot, this is a little bit complicated. You have to be while peeling the beetroot, if it's better if you have the bigger one, beetroot one, that's easy for you. Alright, so now I'll just, or you can put it like this, just put it in double. This is the third one. I'll make it one more of this one, the other one. Alright. Just fold it like this. It's very simple. It looks very good, the colorful. Yes. We'll try with one more with the green one. Okay. This is it for the garnish. Now we'll do the final presentation. Here the miso mustard chicken dumpling coated with the potato and spinach is ready. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Once again, I would like to say thank you so much for the Febina Group of India, and thank you so much.